welcome to my channel, Best Out of Best. In this video we will talk about the specifications, pros and cons of Metene FR401 Forehead Thermometer, which is one of the top 10 forehead thermometers, and also approved by FDA. This thermometer is a non-contact infrared thermometer that uses advanced technology to provide quick and accurate temperature readings by scanning the forehead and ear. Let me highlight the specifications. Accuracy of this thermometer is ±0.2 degrees Celsius, and measurement range is 32 degrees Celsius to 42.9 degrees Celsius. Metene Forehead Thermometer has good measurement time, which is 1 to 3 seconds. Power source is 2 AA batteries. The display is large and easy to read. Now we will discuss pros and cons. First, let me start pros of Metene Forehead Thermometer. Number 1. Easy to use. Metene forehead thermometers are typically very easy to use and can provide accurate temperature readings. Number 2. Non-invasive. Unlike other types of thermometers that require contact with the skin, Metene forehead thermometers can be used without touching the skin. Number 3. Hygienic. Because Metene forehead thermometers do not require contact with the skin, they are less likely to spread germs or bacteria between patients, which make this thermometer very beneficial in pandemics. Number 4. Multifunctional. Metene forehead thermometers also come with additional features, such as the ability to measure the temperature of objects or liquids, making them a versatile tool for a variety of applications. Number 5. This thermometer is also used for ear. After discussing pros, now let me start cons of Metene forehead thermometer. Number 1. Accuracy. While Metene forehead thermometers can provide accurate temperature readings, they may not be as accurate as other types of thermometers, such as rectal or oral thermometers. Number 2. Distance. Metene forehead thermometers require a specific distance from the forehead to accurately measure temperature and can be affected by factors such as ambient temperature or humidity. Number 3. Batteries. Like many electronic devices, Metene forehead thermometers require batteries, which can be inconvenient and may need to be replaced frequently. Number 4. Price. Metene forehead thermometers can be more expensive than other types of thermometers, which may make them less accessible to some consumers. Number 5. This thermometer is not waterproof. If you have already used this thermometer, please share your experience with us in comments. For more details, you can check our website, www.bestoutofbest.com. Thanks for watching.